Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network. In this tutorial, we'll install and set up about the group policy and system policies. So I will show you how to set up these policies of group in Windows Server 2008. You can also set up in Windows Server 2003. The same procedure need to follow. Let us begin. So these are the policies that I am going to show you about creating this. First of all, these are the 9 applications that I am going to show you how to set up and how to create this group policy. First, from where I am going to creating organization unit, then I will show you group policy on OU level, then domain level, then site level, then modeling, then delegation of control user, software app deployment policy, script using group policy, and the last one is the folder redirection applied. So let us begin now. So this is my Windows Server 2008 R2. So now I will begin with this my group policy installation. In my previous video I have shown you how to install this Windows Server 2008 R2 and how to add domain to a how to create Active Directory and how to add domain to a host system. So now I am going to show you the group policy. So just click on start. First I am going to create organization unit and you need to go to administrative tools. You need to find Active Directory in users and computer. Click on it, Active Directory users and computer, and then you need to click on domain. Right click on the domain, okay, and then we need to create new. Here is the new. We need to find organization unit. So here is the organization unit. Click on it. So here we need to give a name of this department. Like I'm going to give a name of sales 1. Okay, the sales department 1. Okay, so here is the checkbox. Uncheck this box, protect container from accidental deletion. Okay, then click OK, and we need to create a user. Okay, click on here. So I am going to click some users. Some users I have been already created. So just I am going to set this user a new password. Go to and reset the password, and I am going to setting the password. Unlock this user account. Okay, and to user 2 also. You can create a new user from above option. I will show you how to create this user, and okay, now I will change. So here is a you can create new user here by clicking here. You can give the name, you can give a login. Just click on next, and then need to set a password. From here also you can set by right clicking on the user. So this is my 2 users I have been created. In the will copy this user and move to the where in the sales department. Like right click and we need to add to a group. Then I'm going to type sales 1 and check names. Okay, so here I have got. I'm going to move this user. Right click and move to sales department. Okay, press OK. So double click, and here you can find this my 2 user account I have created. You can also click here on the folder sales and you can create here user. Now we'll move to the. So this is the creating how organization can create this one. Now I need to show you about the second one, applying group policy on OU level. Let us begin now. So just you need to click on this. I'm closing this one and just scroll down. Okay, click on start programs. Go to administrative. Need to go to group policy management here. Click on it. After that, scroll up a little bit here. You need to right click on sales user. Okay, you need to find sales user. This is my sales user. So right click on it and create a GPO domain and link here. Click. So you need to click here and we need to give a name here, like I am giving a remove computer icon. Okay, then this is one put no option only. Okay, click OK, and then you need to right click on this, extract this one. Okay, right click on remove computer, go to edit, you need to go to user configuration and like policy, and then you need to go to administrative template. Okay, here, and then we need to click on desktop. Okay, and then we need to select a remove computer icon. So we need to find remove computer icon. Here is the icon. So we need to, on the right side, just that here, it is standard. Okay, so here you need to extract, right click here, and we need to go for this edit, no sorry, not edit, properties. You need to go to, okay, edit it, and here is enable it. So I am going to right click, and I have edited, just I have checked this box enable, and then I need to apply it. So press apply and OK. Okay, so this has been enabled. Before it was not configured. So now for the verification I will show you how to verify this one. So now I am going to switch the user. We will check whether this desktop icon computer is coming or not. I am going to type user and right, that is my full domain name, cloud, and enter the password. So then the next thing I am going to move applying group policy on domain level. So to begin now, click on start. So we need to go to administrative tool, we need to find group policy management, click on it, and then okay, after that we need to find our domain name. Here is my domain name. Okay, so we need to right click on create a link here, and we need to give a link that and remove network icon. Okay, click OK, and then we need to select a group policy management. So right click on remove to the network which we have created just now, this group link, just click to edit now, and then we need to go to user configuration. Okay, then we need to policies, then we need to place administrative template on the desktop, then we need to find this hide the network icon, this one. Okay, let us extend this one. Okay, this has been not configured, and then right click, go to no properties showing, edit it, and you can find enable this one, and just scroll down and just apply it, and let us save it. Okay, apply it, and then we need to save it. Okay, then we need to verify it. So now we are going to move applying group policy on site level. So just click on start, go to administrative tool, need to go to click group policy management, and then go to top. So we need to click on group policy object, click new, and need to remove recycle bin. Okay, press OK, then we need to span this, or else we can find from recycle bin. Okay, here right click, go to edit, then go to user configuration, policy, administrative template, desktop, and remove where it is recycle bin, into desktop. Just click edit and disable it, apply, okay. Then we need to go to our back to group policy object, and here expand the sites. You can see, so we are giving here the sites, and we need to right click on sites, then we need to show the sites, okay. After that we need to check this default first name site name, okay. Click okay, then right click on this default first site name, select link existing GPO, okay. So here we need to select remove recycle bin, okay. Click ok. So now after that there is a one more thing also, we need to enable this block inheritance. So we need to go to group policy management, and we need to click on manager OU. So we need to find manager OU, expand this one, all those things. After that you can log off and log in with any user. You will be having remove with the domain recycle bin desktop icon. So just click start programs, go to administrative tools, group policy management. Here is a group policy management. Then we need to click on right click on the group policy modeling. Here right click, and we need to click on group policy modeling wizard. Then next, after that we need to select our domain name, which I have already default selected. So here is my any available domain control running 2003 or later, okay, or else you can use for this domain purpose only. Click next, and then we need to select a user, for which we need to click on user, okay. Here we need to browse and give a user, okay. Check names, showing some names, okay. Click all the names, or else only the one user one, okay, and then put okay. Then the next is we need to have click on this, so just click next, and you need to select a site. So here you need to click on default site name, and then click on next, and then we need to see this is the location is using, okay. Next, authenticate everyone. So we need to check this box, skip to final result, next, okay, put it next, finish it. So you can see on the screen, this is show policy. Here it will show this is username I have been applying with this, and it's showing remove recycle bin icon, network icon, which I have already removed from the desktop. You can see there is no icon on the desktop, okay. So here is a policy, okay. Now the sixth one is delegating control of user. Let us begin. Click on start. So click on start, go to administrative tools, active directory users and computers, right click on OU, where you find, so just right click on cells, go to delegate control, next, and then we need to add a user like administrator I am giving, okay, okay. Then next we need to delete this and check this box, okay. Then click on next and finish it. So now we need to verify by, now we'll verify this one. Just press Windows R or type Windows R. I need to type here dsa.msc, installation. We need to scroll up, and we are going to create a new OU. Like right click, and we are going to create new OU. The Santhani is applying software default policy. So this is the end of my installation. If you have any comment below, please comment below to my video. Thank you for watching our development video.